Alright guys, welcome. It's been about a couple weeks, maybe a little bit more, since ending the diet, 120 days of dieting, carnivore style. So at this point in maintenance, when you bumped it up to 200 to 300 calories the first week and then another 200 to 300 calories the second week, now this is your maintenance calories. So what you're going to do is just eat like this for another 2 weeks, and then you might, if you're feeling like you want a cheat day, then that would be a good time to do it. Um, but that's another video for when that time comes around. I'll shoot one in a couple weeks for that. Right now, this is it. This is the maintenance. Now, all cardio should be stopped. You're free to do your cardio. You're free to do cardio if you want to, but right now, all cardio is ended. Still weight training, of course. Because it's basically to keep your shredded state right now. You got to do heavy lifting, and your maintenance calories right now. So that's about it. It's nothing. It's not as complicated as it seems. It's very simple. Just stay away from junk food, eat your maintenance calories, and just continue working out, and that's all that really takes. You can enjoy the confidence going around, being shredded, talking to people. I bet you're showing up differently. You're definitely more attractive. Your conversations are probably deeper and more fun. You're just probably having more fun in general. So that's it. I'll shoot another video in 2 weeks. For a cheat day, if that's what you guys are doing, and yeah, that'll be that. Alright, so if you guys find value in these videos, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button for me, hit that like button, and I'll see you guys on the next video.